This is a set of MCQ for NEET medical entrance exam. We will do it fast. Which fetal membrane is the source of blood cells? So these are all important questions to be organized by NTA. These are the importance of this question. You have to know the importance. Which fetal membrane is the source of blood cells? Yolk sac. Second is fimbriae, ampulla, infundibulum and isthmus are the parts of which one? Fallopian tube. In the embryos of monocot and dicot, true homologous structures are which one? The homologous means the similar structures. Dicots have cotyledons and monocots have scutellum. This is the homologous structure. Autogamy can occur in chasmogamous flower if both pollen and ovule mature simultaneously. The outermost and innermost wall layers of microsporangium in anther are respectively epidermis and tapetum. Number 6. The number of chromosomes in the shoot tip cells of maize plant is 20. The number of chromosomes in the microspore mother cells of the same plant shall be, this is also the same similar pattern, this is 20. In Zostera, the pollination is completed with the process of hypohydrophily. Just after ovulation, the mammalian egg is covered by corona radiata. A vasectomy prevents movement of sperm into the urethra. What is the function of copper T? Function of copper T is to inhibit fertilization. If there are 4 different types of nitrogen bases, then how many different types of transition and transversions are possible? Transition will be 4, transversion will be 8. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Which one of the given triplets codes for valine? GUG. A person having genotype IAIB would show the blood group as AB. This is because of codominance. Next question is distance between genes and percentage of recombination occurs. What does it show? No relationship or direct relationship or inverse relationship. What does it show? It shows a direct relationship. In a trihybrid cross, what is the probability of offsprings to have a pure homozygous genotypes for the first character, heterozygous for the second character and pure homozygous for the third character? This is 8 out of 64. What is the sex of Drosophila with AAA plus XX chromosomal constitution? It will be intersex. Which one is not directly involved in translation? DNA, because translation occurs from RNA, and GTP is involved in translation. mRNA is needed, tRNA is also needed. In a 136 nanometer long DNA, 30% adenine is present. What will be the total number of hydrogen bonds in this DNA? 30% adenine. So you have to calculate it. You will find it 960. What are the mobile genetic sequence called? It is called, when it jumps from one to another, it is known as transposons. PCR and RFLP. These are methods of genetic fingerprinting. Taylor conducted experiment to prove semi-conservative mode of replication on Vicia faba. From bacteria to men, nearly universal code for phenylalanine is UUU. Polymerase chain reaction PCR is most useful in DNA amplification. Commonly used vectors for human genome sequencing are BAC and YAC. Mycorrhiza does not help host plant in increasing resistance to insect. Big holes in Swiss cheese are made by, is it a machine? No. It is a bacterium producing large amount of carbon dioxide. Flocks. Flocks means a mesh-like structure due to bacteria and fungal association. Roquefort cheese is ripened by using fungus. After completion of biosynthetic stage, the separation and purification of product is known as downstream processing. Most commonly used bioreactor is of stirring type. The stirrer facilitates what? The stirrer facilitates product removal. Restriction enzyme refers to cleaving of phosphodiester bond. In most ecosystems, all the pyramids, pyramid of number, pyramid of energy and pyramid of biomass are upright. During ecological succession, changes lead finally to a community that is in near equilibrium with the environment and is called climax community. The zone at the edge of lake or ocean which is alternatively exposed to air and immersed in water are called littoral zone. The reservoir for gaseous type of biogeochemical cycle exists in atmosphere. The net primary productivity NPP is available for the consumption of herbivores and decomposers. So these are 36 questions which we have solved. So good luck for all examinees, and please like and share my channel.